everybody. Today our mindfulness, it is about mindfulness walking. You go forward. So I'm going to show you how to relax using mindfulness walking. You can do it anywhere. In your own house, if you want, if you have a tiny space, you can do it on in your garden, just walking around. Like now, I am at this Presentation holiday resort, so I'm doing my mindfulness after a long busy day with my kids. So all I'm kind of like using is like my me time, just walking, taking my time. It's kind of like overflowing all my thoughts of the day, and by just relaxing and noticing things around me. It's like I can hear the sound of the car, people taking over the road, and other people are playing the football. So it's really nice just to be aware about your surrounding. You can kind of like just pause walking and look around for 5 things which you can see. For me right now, I can see the fence, which is really gray, and I can see big trees, which really is just a symbol of peace and calm. I can see cars passing, which is really wonderful, and I can see even people walking. So you can even name few things which you can see really, and then you can move from things you can see and to something which you can smell. For me, I will just choose one thing which I can smell now, because they did cut the grass earlier, so I can just smell the grass, fresh cut grass, which is really nice. And I can move on from smelling to something which I can touch with my hand. So right now, because the grass is so fresh, I can even touch the grass on the floor and it just smells nice. So you can move on from seeing, smelling, touching to something which you can taste. Maybe if you just finished to eat, you can taste different things in your mouth. So for me, because I have eaten long time ago, so really before kind of like going out, I kind of like brush my teeth, so I can only taste the mouthwash in my mouth. So it is really nice, and because it's just a peaceful place where I am. So I just reached at the end of my walking, so I need to go back the opposite way. So you're just taking your time. You are just taking your time by reflecting how your day has been, whether the day was busy. Just reflect on that and how you feel about the day. Mine was really good, because you know, like when you are like on holiday, you just come to relax. So you're not thinking about the work, you're not even thinking about that busy life. So for me, it was really great. But if for you was very very busy in a sense, that work, long journey of traveling, and then reaching home, you need to kind of like go to do some shopping or whatever your busy plan was, you can just kind of like reflect while you are doing this. That's just all I always say. Please try not to be judgmental of yourself. Be kind. Today with the word is kind to yourself. So okay, you know what, dear, I need to be kind. I need to accept myself as I am, not to judging myself, need to be really kind. So we kind of like just, you don't need to take 20 minutes or 30 minutes, even just 5 minutes of that me walking, and we are walking it with mindfulness. Yeah, monthly, how you are experiencing. So if I can just highlight what we have learned in this video, is kind of like, while you are walking, you can notice 5 things which you can see with your eyes. You can notice 4 things which you can touch with your hand. You can notice maybe 3 things which you can hear around you, like I've been mentioning that they wake up, passing, people speaking, kids playing football. So those were like my 3 things. Then you can say maybe 2 things which you can taste, just depending on your, maybe 1 thing which you can smell. So just really up to you. You can even either swap them according to your